A new AI model has arrived, and it's making waves. Some call it a game changer, while others see it as a serious threat to OpenAI and Google. But what exactly is DeepSeek, and why is everyone suddenly talking about it? Is it really as powerful as GPT-4? How can it be so cheap compared to the competition? And most importantly, should you be using it right now? In this video, we'll dive deep into DeepSeek's strengths, weaknesses, pricing, privacy concerns, and future potential. We'll compare it with the biggest AI models, test its real-world performance, and help you decide if DeepSeek is worth your time. So, buckle up, because this AI might just change everything. And now, let's get started. Artificial intelligence is evolving at an unprecedented pace, with new models being developed that push the boundaries of what AI can do. Among these innovations, DeepSeek has emerged as a fascinating new player in the AI space, capturing the attention of developers, researchers, and tech enthusiasts alike. But what exactly is DeepSeek, and why is it generating so much buzz? At its core, DeepSeek is a cutting-edge AI language model designed to compete with industry leaders like OpenAI's GPT-4 and Google's Gemini. It is built on advanced deep learning techniques and trained on massive datasets to understand and generate human-like text with impressive accuracy. What sets DeepSeek apart is its unique approach to AI processing, efficiency, and affordability, making it a compelling alternative in the world of artificial intelligence. DeepSeek was developed by a team of highly skilled AI researchers and engineers who sought to create an AI model that balances powerful performance with cost-effectiveness. The company behind DeepSeek has remained somewhat under the radar, but its mission is clear: to democratize access to high-quality AI by making it more affordable and widely available. Unlike many of its competitors, DeepSeek places a strong emphasis on efficiency and optimization, allowing it to deliver results comparable to high-end AI models, while maintaining a much lower price point. This cost-effective approach has made it particularly attractive for businesses, developers, and individual users who need powerful AI without the hefty price tag. But DeepSeek is more than just a budget-friendly AI. It is a formidable contender in the generative AI landscape. Its developers have incorporated the latest advancements in machine learning, including transformer-based architecture, reinforcement learning, and fine-tuning techniques, ensuring that it can handle a wide range of tasks, from content creation and programming assistance to customer service automation and more. DeepSeek's open-source philosophy has driven its rapid adoption, offering transparency and flexibility that encourages innovation. Its efficient design works across various hardware, making it accessible to a wide audience, from small businesses to researchers. By challenging industry giants like OpenAI and Google, DeepSeek offers a powerful, affordable alternative in AI. Why is everyone talking about DeepSeek? DeepSeek has emerged as one of the most talked about AI models in recent months, drawing comparisons to giants like OpenAI's GPT-4 and Google's Gemini. Its surge in popularity can be attributed to several key factors, including technological advancements, affordability, accessibility, and an open-source nature that promotes innovation. One of the primary reasons for DeepSeek's rapid rise is its impressive performance-to-cost ratio. Many AI models that provide high-quality results are often expensive, making them out of reach for small businesses and independent developers. DeepSeek, however, offers comparable capabilities at a fraction of the price, making it a highly attractive option for those who require powerful AI without the hefty price tag. DeepSeek's open-source approach sets it apart from proprietary models like GPT-4. Unlike closed ecosystems, which restrict customization and modifications, DeepSeek allows developers to modify, optimize, and tailor the model to their specific needs. This openness has fostered greater adoption and innovation within the AI community, enabling developers to create more personalized solutions. In addition, DeepSeek has been optimized for efficiency, enabling it to run on a wider range of devices. While many AI models require expensive hardware, DeepSeek is designed to perform well even on less powerful systems, making it more accessible to users with limited computational resources. DeepSeek is shaping up to be one of the most exciting developments in AI. In the next section, we'll dive deeper into its pricing model and examine why it's so much more affordable than other AI solutions on the market. Comparing DeepSeek with leading AI models. To fully understand why DeepSeek is making waves, it's essential to compare it with industry leaders like OpenAI's GPT-4 and Google's Gemini performance. While GPT-4 and Gemini are known for their advanced reasoning and linguistic abilities, DeepSeek holds its ground by providing comparable text generation, comprehension, and problem-solving capabilities. Although it may not surpass GPT-4 in every aspect, it delivers results that are impressive, given its cost-effectiveness, affordability. GPT-4 and Gemini often require expensive API access or premium subscriptions, making them less accessible for budget-conscious users. DeepSeek, on the other hand, is designed to be more affordable while still maintaining strong performance, making AI-driven solutions more accessible to a broader audience. Open source advantage. Unlike GPT-4 and Gemini, which are proprietary, DeepSeek embraces an open source philosophy. This allows developers to fine-tune the model for specific applications, offering more flexibility and customization compared to its closed-source competitors. Efficiency. DeepSeek is optimized for efficiency, allowing it to operate on less powerful hardware without sacrificing too much performance. This makes it ideal for individuals and small businesses that lack access to high-end computing resources. DeepSeek versus ChatGPT. One of the most intriguing aspects of DeepSeek is its pricing, as it offers powerful AI solutions at a significantly lower cost compared to many other models with similar capabilities. This is possible due to several strategic factors. First, the developers of DeepSeek have optimized its infrastructure, ensuring that it can run efficiently on standard hardware without relying on costly GPU clusters. This reduces operational costs, allowing the company to offer the model at a more affordable price. Additionally, DeepSeek's open-source philosophy eliminates many of the expenses associated with proprietary AI development. Unlike companies like OpenAI and Google, which invest heavily in closed-source research, marketing, and cloud-based deployment, DeepSeek leverages community-driven improvements, which reduces development and maintenance costs. The model also targets a broader market, including individual developers and small businesses, rather than just enterprises. By focusing on affordability, it attracts a larger user base, leading to greater adoption and long-term sustainability. Furthermore, DeepSeek employs cost-effective training strategies, utilizing optimized datasets and computing resources to minimize expenses while maintaining performance. Why is DeepSeek so cheap compared to others? DeepSeek offers an incredibly affordable option compared to its competitors in the field of engineering and technology, particularly in the areas of deep learning and artificial intelligence. One key factor contributing to its lower cost is its efficient approach to research and development. DeepSeek uses a highly optimized system that eliminates unnecessary overhead, streamlining processes to maximize efficiency. Their algorithms are designed to offer accurate results without requiring the massive computational resources typically associated with more expensive systems. By focusing on highly efficient data processing methods and utilizing cloud-based infrastructure, they manage to lower operational costs while still providing high-quality services. And another reason for DeepSeek's competitive pricing is its business model. Unlike traditional companies that need to account for hefty marketing budgets, expensive office spaces, and large staff, DeepSeek operates with a smaller, more agile team. This allows them to focus resources directly on improving their core product rather than supporting a large corporate structure. By cutting out these extraneous expenses, DeepSeek can pass the savings on to the customer, making advanced engineering technology accessible at a fraction of the price. Additionally, DeepSeek is committed to staying on the cutting edge of technological innovation while keeping costs low. Their focus on automation and cost-effective cloud services enables them to stay ahead of competitors in terms of both performance and price. While larger companies may offer more complex packages with higher prices, DeepSeek focuses on delivering the core functionalities that users need without inflating costs with unnecessary extras. This straightforward approach makes it an ideal choice for individuals and companies looking for high-quality engineering tools without the premium price tag. Is DeepSeek a threat to OpenAI and Google? DeepSeek poses a potential challenge to companies like OpenAI and Google, but it's unlikely to completely overshadow them in the near future. While DeepSeek offers cost-effective solutions, it focuses more on streamlining processes and efficiency rather than delivering the same expansive resources and services that giants like OpenAI and Google provide. These companies have broader infrastructures, funding, and research capabilities, allowing them to lead in areas like deep learning and AI innovation. DeepSeek's lower pricing could make it appealing for certain users, but OpenAI and Google remain the dominant forces in the AI landscape for now. DeepSeek's strengths and weaknesses. DeepSeek's strengths lie in its cost efficiency and streamlined approach to AI and deep learning. By optimizing algorithms and utilizing cloud-based infrastructure, it offers affordable solutions without compromising performance. Its agile business model, with a smaller team, helps reduce overhead costs. However, its weaknesses include a smaller scale and fewer resources compared to industry giants like OpenAI and Google, which have access to vast research and development teams. While DeepSeek excels in basic functionalities, it may lack the expansive features, integrations, and support offered by larger companies, making it less suitable for enterprise-level applications or complex use cases. Should you trust DeepSeek? Trusting DeepSeek depends on your specific needs and priorities. If you're looking for a cost-effective solution with efficient AI and deep learning capabilities, DeepSeek can be a reliable choice, especially for smaller projects or individual users. The company's focus on streamlining operations and offering affordable pricing makes it appealing for those seeking value. However, for large-scale, complex projects or critical applications, it might not match the extensive features and support provided by industry leaders like OpenAI or Google. Carefully assess your requirements and consider DeepSeek's track record and user reviews before deciding whether to trust their services for your needs. Conclusion: is DeepSeek worth it? DeepSeek offers a compelling value proposition with its powerful AI solutions at an affordable price. Its optimized infrastructure, open-source approach, and efficient model training make it an attractive alternative to more expensive, proprietary models. By targeting a wider audience, including small businesses and independent developers, DeepSeek promotes accessibility and innovation. While it may not match the scale or features of giants like OpenAI and Google, its cost-effectiveness and versatility make it a strong choice for those seeking high-performance AI without the hefty price tag. Ultimately, DeepSeek is worth considering if you're looking for an affordable, customizable AI solution. I hope you found the video helpful. As always, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.